Meet the 2025 Toyota Avanza, Toyota's compact MPV that's now smarter, sleeker, and more family-friendly than ever before. In 2025, the Avanza gets a bold new look. With a redesigned front grille, sleeker headlights, and sharper body lines, it's no longer just a practical choice, it's a stylish one too. And you're greeted with a more premium cabin. A floating 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard on higher trims. The layout is ergonomic, with improved materials throughout the cabin. And yes, the Avanza still seats up to 7 passengers, making it perfect for large families or ride-sharing. The 2025 Avanza retains its reliable 1.5-liter engine paired with a CVT transmission. It's not about speed, it's about efficiency and comfort, and it delivers both. Expect fuel economy around 20 km/L, depending on your driving style. Safety? Toyota has you covered. Standard across most variants are features like a rear-view camera, parking sensors, and the Toyota Safety Sense suite, including lane departure alert and pre-collision braking. Whether you're running errands or heading out for a weekend trip, the 2025 Toyota Avanza offers the space, practicality, and tech that today's families need, without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest cars.